I mean, a kid more than 3 years old can play this. Under 3 years old can't play this. So remember that. And I wonder why this is so large and heavy. I think we need to get it to have a table and also some Lego. Well, okay, let's open this up. First thing is I need to pull out those tapes. What a boring thing ever. I hate pulling tapes. Nearly done, everyone. Good. And then now I open this and I pull everything out. Wow. Look. It is a large table. Whoa. I think we need to buy Lego, but they have some Lego in there too. Isn't this stuck? Here. Whoa. Everyone look. A large bag of Lego. This is everything. Whoa. Big plate. And this is where we're gonna put this on. Bright yellow. Ooh. Here are those legs. I wonder what. Oh, I know. Those black circles on foam on here need to stick under those legs. So I will quickly stick it up. Or something. Oh yes. Stick under there. One. And I think those foam are making this not too slippery or something. Makes a fraction. Okay. I keep sticking this to those legs for my little sister. I don't think she's gonna pull all those circles because it helps this table to be stuck. You know? Okay. The next thing is I gotta put those legs into this table. So this table could stand. Good. A small table. I think this kind of table is perfect for my little sister, but not for me. Oh. As I'm thinking, I think with Legos, when we're done playing it, we're gonna put it near or something. I think when you want to get it out, so you just need to put out some pieces you need into those shapes. I think like that. So next, I just need to do this, tear this and pour this. Put all those Legos into here. It maybe get lots of time, but do not worry. I'm sure it will be quick. Wait. What are those things on here? I wonder why. When this is Okay, now where? Good. See? Really smart. Who designed this is really good, everybody. Okay, always have is a sticker, 4 legs, a white table. This yellow plate for crafting and all those Legos. You see, when you see something forgetting, you could say to who has sold this or something. But I don't think this gonna missing some things because it looks super cool. I bet my little sister really loved it when she saw it. Bye bye.